Been traveling a lot lately. Tell you, I be nervous in the airport. Anybody get nervous in the airport? Like you be watching motherfuckers? I be walking up to people, hey, how you feeling? You all right? Everything good? You ready to go to Florida, baby? All the way, nigga? All the way? Fuck out of here. I do that shit all day. You all right? Everything good? You're sweating. What's happening? I had an argument with this Arab dude in the airport. Motherfucker said I was asking him too many personal questions. But we sitting in the airport, he's sweating and the air conditioning is on. I'm like, nigga, I got a question. And I wasn't rude, I was nice. I went up to him, I was like, hey, what's up, Muhammad? He was like, my name is not Muhammad. I was like, my bad. What are the odds? Anyway. Come on, there's a lot of fucking Muhammads over there, let's be real. I didn't make this shit up. So I was like, I'm sorry, bro. What was your name? What'd you say? Abdul? My bad, second guess. That was the second guess. So I said, let me ask you a question, brother. What you doing Tuesday? I want to know he got plans past today. You feel me? And don't hit me with no vague shit like, well, you'll never know. Nope, I'm going to punch you in the throat, nigga. Tell me you got some shit happening on the other end of this shit. I want some concrete shit going down. I told that joke, this white lady got mad at me. She was like, you know what, that is just racist. How could you just presume that he is a terrorist? That is racist. Do you think that's racist? I don't think that's racist. I'm not being racist. I just want to land. You see what I'm saying? I'm silly like that. When my plane take off, I like that shit to land. I'm crazy. You know what I'm saying? And the odds are, if you get hijacked on a plane, it's probably going to be a Middle Eastern nigga, because don't nobody else do that shit. I don't got to watch white people in the airport. The motherfuckers don't scare me. You know what I'm saying? I get on a plane full of white folks, I'm sleeping. You know what I'm saying? What's the worst they gonna do? Break out the laptop? I don't gotta watch white people in the airport. I gotta watch them in the woods. That's where they lose their fucking mind. Start painting their face. We're hunting! Like, no, you not, Bubba. Get your ass in the truck. You don't gotta watch black people in the airport because we don't hijack shit. Black people don't fuck with explosives. You crazy? You know how much that shit costs? It's not a nigga I know making that investment. Not when Timberland's on sale. You crazy than a motherfucker. I'm about to pick up the new Chuckers, Osama. It's real shit. Black people don't fuck around in no airport. You ain't gonna never hear about no plane full of black folks getting hijacked either, because we just don't cooperate, you know? That's why they hijack them planes 8 o'clock in the morning, because they know ain't no niggas gonna be on there. It's too early. I'm on vacation. What the fuck I'm getting up that early for? I'm getting up at 4 and my flight got 15 fucking connections. I'm going to Vegas just so I could go to Miami. That's how it works. I got my ticket for $12.99. That's how you save money, nigga. That's how we do. We know how to make it work for us. That's what we do. We don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, hey, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have threats. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is, sit down. Talk about hijack your mother. They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Because that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans, I'm sorry, y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing. They the blue, 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 blue. Just simple shit. What you mean, what I want to drink? You want me shut up this whole bomber clad club, post to wall? You know me? I love them, but they angry. I don't understand it, man. And you from Jamaica. How the fuck are you so mad? I've been to Jamaica. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's great weather. You go to the beach, the water's blue. You know what I'm saying? You ever go to the beach in New York? We should be mad. You go to the beach in New York? Nigga, you would come out with a drug addiction.